Hello. This is the SAMSON Bunion Splint, a high-quality, clinically designed solution for bunion correction and toe alignment, available in universal size. Please refer to the size chart on screen. Gently remove the splint from its packaging. Identify the left or right marking before use. Place the bunion splint like this in the video. Position the splint around the big toe, aligning the hinge with the joint. Wrap the soft strap comfortably around the midfoot. Ensure the foot feels stable and supported during movement. To remove the product, gently undo the straps and slide it off following the same motion as wearing it. The SAMSON Bunion Splint is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.